Amazon is making moves in the world of robotics within its warehouses. But before we jump into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our updates. So, let's talk about Amazon's latest trial of humanoid robots in their warehouses. Now, this comes at a time when the company's reputation for employee welfare and anti-union policies isn't exactly sparkling, to say the least. Workers are worried that these humanoid robots might actually end up replacing them entirely. But why is Amazon venturing into this territory? Well, it's all about automation and boosting efficiency in their warehouses. They're introducing a new robot system called Sparrow, aiming to make tasks like picking up goods and tote recycling more efficient. And this isn't Amazon's first foray into robotics. They've been increasingly using tech like wheeled robots and even drones for deliveries. But the big talk now is about their humanoid robot named Digit. Unlike the wheeled bots, Digit has its own hands and legs. Imagine that, 750,000 robots across Amazon's 185 centers, and Digit is the latest addition. But hold on, some say these robots might eventually replace the entire human workforce. You see, Amazon has faced criticism for how it treats its employees, with reports of overworked staff resorting to extreme measures like urinating in bottles due to time constraints. There have also been cases of underpayment and alleged hostile work environments. Now, Amazon insists these robots are meant to complement human workers, not replace them entirely. But concerns persist about job losses and the company's intentions. Representatives from Amazon Robotics emphasize that these robots are experimental and actually create new jobs rather than eliminating them. However, some critics doubt these claims, citing Amazon's ambiguous statements as evidence. In fact, they've introduced yet another system, Sequoia, designed to further enhance safety by delivering items within a worker's power zone, reducing the risk of injuries related to repetitive movements. Now, Amazon has faced criticism for high injury rates at their warehouses, particularly musculoskeletal issues. And while they claim their investment in technology has made warehouses safer, questions about the robot's impact on job safety and ethics remain. So, what do you think about Amazon's move towards increased automation and these humanoid robots in their warehouses? Do you believe they're truly here to assist or potentially replace human workers? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.